All right, guys, as is promised, here is your video. I literally just signed off with you, but I want you guys to be able to have this video because it is important. So technically this outline is due tomorrow. Remember, we're just planning the essay. It can change once we start writing the essay. It all really depends on you, okay? So the prompt is, when is lying okay? And we pretty much established that almost everybody in the class is picking sometimes. It's sometimes okay to lie. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna make it a different color. I'm gonna make it stand out. Okay. So remember, yellow is going to be your intro paragraph. So we kind of decided, well, I kind of decided that the one that I liked the best was this one. So remember, you're watching a video, guys, so you can totally pause it and wrote down, that doesn't even make sense. English is hard. Write down whichever hook you want to use. So don't write all of them. Remember, you're only going to choose one. So the one I really liked is humans aren't the only creatures that lie. Coco the gorilla actually blamed the destruction of her sink on her pet kitten. And then what we're going to do is we're going to include a counter argument with our claim. Okay, so, some people believe that lying is the ultimate sin and morally wrong. However, there are certain circumstances in which lying is acceptable. Lying has been the debate or the subject of debate, whatever. You guys can read it. So you're going to pause it here and make sure you catch up, obviously. And then we came up with this thesis statement based on the reasoning you guys gave in class. So lying is okay to do in certain situations because it can save a person, it can benefit more than just the liar, and it can make social interactions run smoothly. And then we have our first body paragraph, the topic sentence or your claim is right here. Lying to save another person's life is always acceptable. We have the evidence and we have the reasoning. We also have more evidence and more reasoning. Remember, pause it if you guys need to copy it down. And then here's our concluding sentence. Guess what, guys? This body paragraph is 6 sentences long. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, technically 7 because there's 2 sentences in this one. Okay, so body paragraph number 1 is done. Then we move on to body paragraph number 2. Let me move that up because that drives me nuts. So we got body paragraph number 2 here. Lying can be beneficial for more than just the liar. And then we have our evidence and our reasoning. And then we have evidence number 2 and our reasoning. And here's our concluding sentence. In sum, when a lie is beneficial to the emotional state of a person, it is acceptable. And then we have body paragraph number 3. Now, this is the only one I'm making you guys write on your own, but I put research has shown that lying actually improves our social interactions. Okay, so that's what this paragraph should be about. So you're going to pull evidence from DNews. That is actually this one right here. When is it okay to lie? It is number, I think, 9. Let me see. Number 9. Yeah, number 9. When is it okay to lie? It is link number 9. You're going to come up with a concluding sentence, and then you're just going to kind of like talk about your conclusion. This is where you're going to like do your mic drop. This is where it's like, boom, I'm right, you're wrong. Listen to me. Okay. So come up with something good here and restate your thesis. That means basically repeat what you said, but write it a different way. Kind of like summarize your talking points and then drop the mic. Like return to the Coco the gorilla thing. Why is that important? Like, who cares? Like, a gorilla lied. Ooh. It basically shows that it's like a social, like, it's natural and socially acceptable to do because obviously humans aren't the only creatures that lie. Okay. So, something like that. You guys got this. I know you do. This is due tomorrow by 3. However, if you're not quite done with it, like I'm gonna be like, okay, whatever. But there is a vocabulary tomorrow. It's a really short one. It's on thesis statements, and I'm just giving you the video and quiz. So have fun with that, guys. And with that, I am out.